Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades as per usual. And let's dive into some more GameStop analysis here. So, we can tell here that you guys have, been through a rough week in GameStop. We've dropped pretty significantly, I would say. We can take a look at a weekly candle. How much of a down week was this? Yeah, 12% drop in the bucket, but still a down week nevertheless. But again, an opportunity arises every time we have a down week because of cheaper GameStop, right? Isn't that what you guys want? Lower GameStop price so you can accumulate more before the big pump happens. That is my way of thinking. Not everyone thinks like that, but that's okay. But anyways, I think that there's still a potential chance that the GameStop can actually come out of this pretty strong. You actually ended this drop here with no divergence, with that 4 hour coming down into an oversold area. That's a nice wave 2 low here. You should actually start to impulse out into wave 3. Now we actually have the Trump inauguration coming up. The indices were pumping up, but GameStop didn't really participate in that. It's actually down 76 basis points today. But what I did see was actually some significant buying coming in here on wave edge. So we'll always cover the bullish and the bearish case. And the bullish case right now is that we actually got a green cross the other day, right around $27.81. We've been holding steady there, but I was seeing some buying here. There we go, some accumulation, right? Someone bought big, someone's buying big. Maybe it's me. But right at these lows here, you can see right at $27, someone already started accumulating. And you can see on the 45-minute and 30-minute time frame, there was more accumulation at the lows today, $27.11. And then we got some big pump out of nowhere, some big surge up, pumped like 6% in a matter of minutes. And then we came right back down. But regardless, I see some people buying here, right? Some people are buying. It may not mean anything to you, but these sells and these buys, they do definitely mean something, right? Big buy here, price surged afterwards. Right, and then you got some big buys down here, and the price continued higher. Right, accumulation. This is what what you're seeing is accumulation. All right, and actually, yeah, the 4 hour time frame provides the biggest buying opportunities in my opinion. You can see when this buy came in here at $9. I mean, a couple weeks later we're at 64, but it's not always a guarantee that it's going to do that. And you could always go much lower before that happens, right? Accumulating, but it bleeds lower for months on end, right? This was actually a 50% drop or 40% drop before you actually saw any pumping, before that. But anyways, let's get back to the point on hand here. Let's take a look at Market Cipher, and we'll continue our analysis there. And on Market Cipher, on the weekly time frame, it was a down week for sure. We confirmed with a red dot. 16 and a -5 on the dual band strength index. However, when you get on those smaller time frames, I think it was the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour, you actually printed a nice little green dot here at the close today. So confirming that a potential low might be in. Now we'll know more next week if this relief rally that we're going to get, is it going to be a B wave and correct lower with another C leg down? Or is this going to turn out to be the final low, and then we're going to take off into wave 3. We're going to get some company news or some sort of news that's going to cause GameStop to surge higher right inside of this wave 3. And we've been tracking this all along this way. I told you guys this is a 1-2 setup. We're getting ready for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 5-wave move up, pull back and forward, another dip to buy before 5th wave comes in and the larger 3's in. And now this larger 3 is in wave 4. We're looking for this final impulse in a 5th wave extension, right? I want to see this stock squeeze a bit. Excuse me, my voice is a little bit raspy. I've been making and talking a lot lately, so you're getting me all used up and abused here at the moment. But yeah, this is what I'm seeing. And if it does end up correcting lower, and this 5th wave wants to finish here with some bearish divergences, is what you want to see for 5th waves to complete. Let me drink some water, goddammit. That's better. All right, so yeah, essentially what you want to see with the 5th waves, you want to see some bearish divergence, and we got that already. We got that on the daily too, right? We got this nice impulse up in a wave three, and we got bearish divergence to finish it off. I just think that we should see one more pump and some more bearish divergence to extend it, because the RSI has reset pretty dramatically already. Right, I'll just get rid of this line, but the RSI has come down pretty significantly, I would say. And then yeah, like a green dot there, 1 hour time frame. You're still red money flow, but you got some bullish divs on those momentum waves. 30-minute, man, you're deep in that red money flow in the 30-minute. But let's see. Last time we are in the deep red. Yeah, we're kind of forming a low here. And all these yellow crosses, by the way, that you see, this is everyone's talking about manipulation. This is manipulation. This is someone pushing the stock lower purposely, on purpose, but they usually do that to push it lower and lower and lower to squeeze people out, to make people think it's going to go much lower, which it technically does. People panic out, and then that's when the lows occur, and then you get a big surge higher, right? So that's essentially what those yellow crosses are. You can see them on the daily sometimes as well, right? You can see whoever's been holding out through this entire bear market here in GameStop. There was so much manipulation at the end. Like, they were just pushing it down, and they're doing it on purpose because they want people to let go of the stock. They want you to sell it, right? And then boom, this happens. So you can see they do this on purpose. They want people to get out so they can get in, and you could just sell at a loss and then FOMO back in later. So you got to be smart about it. Anyways, the daily is still flush with the green money flow here. I don't see any cause for panic, and they got 4.6 billion in cash. Everyone knows this. I don't need to reiterate it a million times. And actually, I was checking the 15-minute. The 15-minute is actually riddled on wave edge with buy orders right now. There's big money accumulating GameStop at these levels here, and I'd be more than happy if GameStop were to take another dip down to 25, 20 bucks. I would be so happy to just buy some more. But again, you guys do whatever you want, and I'm going to continue to provide analysis every Thursday and Tuesday. Sorry, this is the Thursday update, but I'm posting it on Friday because I was a little bit too busy this week, and I couldn't get to it on time, and I'm sorry, but I'll do better next week. All right, have a good weekend, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Peace.